Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E32s, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just a home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. So let's just get this. Once you have your content prepared, simply press and hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this annoying sound along with three options, which is delete, share and edit. After a moment this will just disappear like it did right now. Once it disappears, you can find it in your Photos application. It should be somewhere right at the top. As you can see, it says screenshots. Now later on, once you have captured a bunch of photos, screenshots and all that stuff, it might get just a little bit cluttered and it will be somewhere down the list, obviously. So you can quickly find it by tapping on the categories as you see movies or stuff like that. If you can't find it quickly, you could just, I don't know, capture a quick screenshot if it's not showing any categories anywhere. Because obviously screenshots is the name of the album, so if you have the categories at the bottom, select albums and then find screenshots, where you'll find strictly all the screenshots that I have captured over the time, which, there we go, there is the one that I have captured. So with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.